So last week's focus was on the coronavirus. That sort of continued into this week. But in terms of central bank news, we had the Reserve Bank of New Zealand opting to keep monetary policy unchanged. You had the US Fed's Powell reiterating that the economy was in a good place when he testified. And when it comes to US data, CPI notched below expectations, retail in line at 0.3%. But the real focus in terms of data is on GDP, and not just for any country, but specifically for export-oriented economies. In the case of Germany's preliminary GDP figures last week showing no growth, no expansion whatsoever, and this morning really tested out of Japan with a 1.6% contraction, its worst contraction in 6 years. There is a US bank holiday today, so expect trading to get lighter as we progress towards the US session. Now, we are going to get a bunch of central bank minutes this week, starting with the Reserve Bank of Australia's. There will be some other items as well on Tuesday, including ZEW figures for Germany and as well as UK employment. Now on Wednesday, it's the Fed's turn. There's also going to be plenty of Fed speak as well. And API's oil inventory estimate, it's a day late because of the US bank holiday. So instead of Tuesday night, our time, it's going to be Wednesday night instead. Now on Thursday, this time around, it's going to be the ECB's turn, European Central Bank. They're going to release their minutes. There's also going to be the US EIA as well. So on Friday, this is the part where people are really going to be focusing on the manufacturing and services PMIs, and that's because we're going to get a string of them from Australia, Japan, France, Germany, Eurozone, UK, and the US. So it is going to be interesting to see how these sectors have fared now, given the coronavirus and what the impact has been globally for the manufacturing and services sector. There's also going to be Fed speak again towards the evening out of the US, as well as US housing data. So that's it for the week ahead. CO2 figures are up next.